Good morning, children. How are you, children? Today, class for 7th class. Which class? 7th class. Subject is General Science. Subject is what? General Science. Children, we are discussing about the lesson heat and temperature. What? Heat and temperature. In previous classes, we discussed about the heat, okay, and how the energy is transferred from one form to the another form. Okay, children, listen now. Children, if you stand close to the fire, అంటే మంటకు చాలా దగ్గరగా నిలబడే, అంటే how do you feel? Normally you feel warm. You feel warm. So children, here observe that when a warm object is placed, when a warm object when a warm object is placed close to the cooler object, ఓకే, అంటే ఒక వేడి వస్తువును ఒక చల్లటి వస్తువు దగ్గరకు పెడితే దెన్ వి అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ ద హీట్ ఎనర్జీ మూవ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ది వార్మర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టు ది కూలర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. What do you observe? Then how the heat energy moves? The heat energy always moves from the warmer object. What? The heat energy always moves from the warmer object to the colder object or cooler object until the both two objects, means nothing but warmer object and colder object attain the same temperature. ఎప్పటి వరకు వేడి అనేది హీట్ అనేది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది? ఆ యొక్క వేడి వస్తువు మరియు చల్లటి వస్తువు రెండు ఒకే టెంపరేచర్ వరకు వంచేంత వరకు. సో వెన్ ఏ వార్మ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ ప్లేస్డ్ క్లోజ్ టు ది కోల్డర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, we observe that the heat energy moves from the heat energy moves from the warmer object to the colder object, warmer object to the colder object until the both objects attain the same temperature, attains the same temperature. So we often think that, children, the heat and temperature are the same things. We often what thinking? The heat and temperature are same thing. But children, that is very wrong. అది చాలా తప్పు. And you know that one, temperature is nothing but is a measure of the heat energy. అంటే హీట్ ఎనర్జీని కొలిచేది టెంపరేచర్. ఓకే, temperature is measure of heat energy in a body, which indicate the ability of a body to give heat to the another body or absorb the heat from the another body. Normally we use thermometer to measure the temperature. Yes or not? In our daily life we use the thermometer to measure the temperature. We use which instrument or which equipment? We use thermometer to measure the temperature. Children, have you observed any thermometers in daily life? మీ యొక్క లైఫ్లో థర్మామీటర్ను చూసారా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? సపోజ్ వెన్ యూ సఫరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫీవర్, immediately we consult the doctor. So at the time, first of all, by using thermometer, the doctors check our body temperature by using thermometer. Yes or not? Yes, doctor use thermometer to check our body temperature. So children, have you seen the thermometer used by the doctors in hospital? What does it contains? Children, మీరు హాస్పిటల్లో డాక్టర్ యూజ్ చేసే థర్మామీటర్ని కేర్ఫుల్గా చూసారా? విచ్ మెటీరియల్ ఇస్ కంటైన్? థర్మామీటర్ లోపల అసలు ఏమి ఉంటుంది? నార్మల్లీ ఇన్సైడ్ ద థర్మామీటర్ one liquid material is there that is called as mercury. Which material is present inside the thermometer? Mercury. That is shining. Yes or not? అది మెరుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. That material is what? Mercury. Inside the thermometer we observe which type of material, children? Mercury. Okay, in Telugu we can say that one padarasam. What? Padarasam. So let us observe the thermometer. Hold the thermometer in your hand and what is it made up of? అసలు దేనితో నిర్మితం అవుతుంది? నార్మల్లీ a thermometer is made up of glass material. Okay, inside that we observe that one mercury, and you find the two ends of the thermometer. On the one end you observe that one bulb is there, one end is there. So on the one end of the thermometer we observe bulb. We observe what? One of the bulb that is filled with which material, children? The glass bulb is filled with normally mercury. Which material? Mercury. And on the another end we observe that one hook. Which one? Hook. Miss Atima, to hold the thermometer we observe that one what? Hook. And in the glass tube we observe that one we find some readings. Yes or not? గ్లాస్ లోపల భాగంలో కొన్ని రీడింగ్స్ అనేవి మార్కింగ్ చేయబడతాయి. ఓకే, వై? బికాస్ నథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ మార్క్స్ express the temperature. These what? Markings express the temperature in degree of Celsius. This marking express the temperature in which form? In degree Celsius. And normally, children, we read the temperature. We read the temperature with the help of this marking. We read the temperature with the help of these markings. Okay, we read this temperature with the help of markings. And this arrangement of mark is called as nothing but a scale of temperature. Okay, what we call this arrangement of marks is called as nothing but a scale of temperature. This arrangement of the marks is called as what? Scale of temperature. You know that one all thermometer are made based upon the one thing only. All thermometers are made based upon the one fact or thing, that is matter expands and heating. అంటే మ్యాటర్స్ అనేవి ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవుతుంది అంటే అనేది ఏమవుతుంది, దానికి వాల్యూమ్ పరిమాణం అనేది పెరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో to know that one what is that one matter expanding heat, we have to perform one of the simple activity. We have to perform one of the simple activity. What is that one activity? Is nothing but expansion of liquids due to heat. What? Expansion of liquids due to heat. Expansion of liquids due to heat. So aim of this activity is to prove that liquids expand due to the heat. What is the aim? Liquids expands due to the heating process. Liquids expand due to the heating process. What? Liquids expand due to the heating process. Next term, materials required. Which materials are used to perform this activity? Which type of materials are used to perform this activity? So here the materials required are nothing but one metal trough. అంటే లోహంతో చేసిన ఒక పెద్ద పాత్ర, మెటల్ ట్రఫ్. వాట్? మెటల్ ట్రఫ్. And one of the flat bottom flask. What? flat bottom flask. Okay, one metal trough. Next what we take? One flat bottom flask. Next one rubber cork. What? One rubber cork. Next one capillary tube. What? Capillary tube. What? Capillary tube. Next next one is nothing but colored water. What? Colored water. అంటే వాటర్లో కలర్ వేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కలర్డ్ వాటర్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ ఎనీ కలర్. నెక్స్ట్ బాయిలింగ్ వాటర్ ఆల్సో. వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ సపరేట్లీ. కలర్ వాటర్ వేరు, బాయిలింగ్ వాటర్ వేరు. ఓకే, సో మెటీరియల్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్స్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ metal trough. What? Metal trough. Next flat bottom flask. What? Flat bottom flask. Next one of the rubber cork, capillary tube, colored water, boiling water. What? Boiling water. And one of the one of the scale to mark the to mark the level of the water in capillary tube. One of the scale. So these are the material required. Aim is what? To prove that liquids expand on heating process. What is? To prove that liquids expand on heating process. Material required are nothing but metal trough, flat bottom flask, rubber cork, capillary tube, colored water, boiling water, scale. Procedure. Okay, procedure. First take one of the flat bottom flask. First we have to take what? Flat bottom flask and fill it with colored water. Fill it with colored water. ఫస్ట్ ఒక ఫ్లాట్ బాటమ్ ఫ్లాస్క్ని తీసుకొని దాన్ని కలర్ వాటర్తో నింపాలి. నెక్స్ట్ నౌ క్లోజ్ ద మౌత్ ఆఫ్ ది flask with the help of single hole rubber cork. Now close the mouth of the flask with a single hole rubber cork. Now insert one of the capillary tube in the flat bottom flask. Okay, procedure. First to take one of the flat bottom flask and fill it with some amount of colored water. Close the mouth of the flask with single hole rubber cork and insert one of the capillary tube in the flat bottom flask. Okay, next now place the flask in a metal trough. Now place the flask in metal trough and pour some amount of boiling water in the metal trough. Place the flat bottom flask in the metal trough and pour some amount of boiling water. Next fix one of the scale to the mouth of the flat bottom flask. Now carefully observe the level of water in the capillary tube. Now carefully observe the level of water in the capillary tube. Result, we observe that the water level in the capillary tube is increases. ఏదైతే మనం చిన్న ట్యూబ్ ఫ్లాట్ బాటమ్ ఫ్లాస్క్లో అందులో వాటర్ అనేది చేరుతుంది, దాని యొక్క వాటర్ లెవెల్ అనేది పెరుగుతుంది. వాట్ వి అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ ద వాటర్ లెవెల్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్లాట్ బాటమ్ ఫ్లాస్క్ is increases due to that water expands and heating. Due to water expands and heating, from this activity we can say that one liquids expands due to heat. What? Liquids expands due to heat. Okay, aim to prove that liquids expand due to the heating process. Material required: one metal trough, flat bottom flask, rubber cork, capillary tube, colored water, boiling water, one marking scale. Procedure: first take one flat bottom flask and fill it with colored water. Next, now close the mouth of the flat bottom flask with a single hole rubber cork and insert one of the capillary tube in the flat bottom flask. Now place the flask in the metal trough and pour some amount of boiling water. Next, attach one of the scale that is marked with readings to the mouth of the flat bottom flask. Carefully observe the level of water in the capillary tube. Result, after some time we observe that water level in the capillary tube increases because water expands due to heating process. From this activity we conclude that liquids expands and heating process. In the same way, children, the mercury also expanding due to heat. In the same way, the mercury also expanding due to heating process. And not only mercury, but also sometimes we can use alcohol as a liquid in thermometer. Mercury కాకుండా ఆల్కహాల్ కూడా థర్మామీటర్లో యూజ్ చేయవచ్చు. ఓకే, నార్మల్లీ means most time we use mercury in the thermometer, but sometimes we can also use alcohol as a thermometer liquids. So children, why should we use mercury in the thermometer? మనం మెర్క్యూరీని థర్మామీటర్లో ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాము? వై? బికాస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్స్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఈస్ యూనిఫామ్. మీన్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ అది ఎంత పైకి వెళ్ళాలనో కరెక్ట్ అంతే వెళ్తుంది, హెచ్చు తగ్గులు అనేవి ఉండవు. సో ఇట్స్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఈస్ యూనిఫామ్. ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఒపెక్ అండ్ షైనింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్. మనము థర్మామీటర్ ఒకవైపు నుంచి చూస్తే ఇంకో వైపుకు చూడలేము. వై? బికాస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మెర్క్యూరీ ఈస్ ఒపెక్ అండ్ నథింగ్ బట్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్ వన్, మెర్క్యూరీ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది షైనింగ్ మెటీరియల్. అంటే మెరుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. we can easily observe the reading by using that one mercury. Okay, it expansion is one is its mercury expansion is uniform, means nothing but for equal amount of heat it expands by equal length, and mercury is opaque liquid and shining liquid. And one more important property of the mercury is nothing but it does not stick to the side of the glass tube. అంటే గ్లాస్ ట్యూబ్కు అతుక్కోదు అది. సపోజ్ when you use another liquids, they should be stick to the side of the glass, but mercury does not stick to the sides of the glass tube. And you know that one mercury is a good conductor of heat. What? Mercury is good conductor of heat. అంటే హీట్ ఎనర్జీ will easily transfer through the mercury. Now, one more important property of the mercury is nothing but it easily available in the pure state. What? It is easily available in the pure state. So the property of the mercuries are its expansion is uniform, it is opaque and shining, it does not stick to the edges and sides of the glass tube, it is a good conductor of heat, it is easily available in the pure state. Thank you, children.